Jelqing is one of the oldest and most accessible penis enlargement techniques available, requiring no equipment while delivering impressive results when performed correctly. Today, I'll guide you through the proper technique and strategy to maximize your gains. At its core, Jelqing works by creating micro tears in penile tissue through controlled stretching motions, similar to how muscle growth occurs after resistance training. As these micro tears heal, new cellular growth leads to increased size over time. To perform the basic Jelqing motion correctly, start with a semi-erect penis, approximately 50 to 75% of full erection. Apply lubricant generously to reduce friction. Create an OK grip with your thumb and index finger at the base of your penis. Then slowly slide your hand toward the glands with moderate pressure, forcing blood through the penile tissues. Each stroke should take 2-3 seconds to complete. For beginners, start with just 5 minutes of Jelqing every other day. This allows tissues to adapt gradually while minimizing risk of injury. As your tissues acclimate over several weeks, progressively increase to 15 to 20 minutes per session, 3 to 4 times weekly. Proper warm-up is crucial for effective and safe Jelqing. Apply a warm compress or take a hot shower for 5 minutes before starting. This increases blood flow and tissue elasticity, enhancing results while reducing injury risk. Throughout your Jelqing journey, implement these key principles. Maintain consistent pressure, firm enough to feel resistance but never causing pain. Focus on quality over quantity. Proper technique with fewer strokes yields better results than rushed sessions. And perhaps most importantly, be patient. Noticeable gains typically emerge after 2-3 months of dedicated practice. For enhanced results, consider combining Jelqing with other techniques like stretching or pumping on alternating days. This multifaceted approach stimulates tissues in different ways, potentially accelerating growth. With proper technique, realistic expectations, and consistent application, Jelqing offers a natural, effective path to penis enhancement that has stood the test of time.